Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro is a perfect handset if you are looking for a strong processing configuration and an excellent pair of cameras. Besides the performance and camera, it has a lot to offer, especially with ample storage space. All in all, this is a perfect Xiaomi handset that you have been looking with the given price tag. The excellence of Xiaomi display and configuration. Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro sports a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display, which exhibits a screen resolution 1080 by 2340 pixels. Apart from the stellar resolution, the pixel density of 395 ppi adds a splendid visual appeal. As far as the performance is concerned, the smartphone has a powerful octa-core processor built upon a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset. The octa-core processor is formed with a 2.2 GHz dual-core and a 1.8 GHz hexa-core units. Further, the load of managing the multitasking operation is adhered to by 6 GB RAM. The graphical aspect of the device is controlled by the Adreno 618 GPU. Camera and battery. For imaging, here we have a quad primary camera setup with 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP resolution. It is needless to mention that the quality of images captured will be of top quality. Certain features like LED flash and autofocus area testimony to its excellence. On the front, it has a 20MP lens which provides really good selfies. A 4500 mAh Li-ion battery might seem to be at par, especially with additive features like quick charging. It manages to provide a good battery backup. Storage and connectivity. Storing useful information and data files, one can avail of the option of an internal storage space of 64 GB. Also, the strength of the storage facet is enhanced with the addition of an expandable storage option of 256 GB. Connectivity option which makes an entry in the device includes Wi-Fi 802.11, beeprogram, N, Bluetooth V5.0, and GPS. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.